Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Thursday, September 15th, 2016, and we are at 2895 Northwest 156th Place in Beaverton, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we're outside of the home. We're actually on the, as viewed from the street, we're on the right side of the porch. That's our front door there. And just off the front porch here is our clean out. It's a 3-inch plastic PVC line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get that pointed in the right direction. Alright, I paused the video while I took a moment and finagled that camera. Let's go ahead and zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen so we know how far we've gone. We're just at the beginning of that clean out. We're going to go ahead and make our push all the way out to the city main. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1984, and we're in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era. So we might end up seeing this plastic material all the way out to the street, or we may end up seeing some older style material such as a concrete line or something like that. In 1984 we could see either. Once again, this is a Schedule 40 plastic PVC. PVC makes a great sewer line, although it's not a very common material to be used for sewer lines, at least not in this area. Generally speaking, we see black ABS plastic more often than not. Okay, we'll pause here for just a moment at a little bit over 43 feet. And the reason we're stopping is so that we can take a quick note that we have transitioned to a different PVC. The white PVC was Schedule 40. This PVC is known as 3034 PVC. This line is also slightly larger, about 4 inches in diameter. We can tell that because you may or may not have noticed the camera dropped into this pipe, and I'd say it dropped about a ½ inch, making it probably about a 4-inch pipe. As you can see on the top of the screen, that's the floor of our pipe. There is some water running, and the reason I do this is so that we can see the pipe in action. It gives us a very clear indication as to the slope or the steepness of the pipe, the angle that it's been installed at. And without the water, we would have a tough time seeing that slope, although it is possible. It's just much easier to do with some water running. There we go, just like that. A little bit over 98 feet, we are looking into the city main. And the good news is, because we haven't seen anything that concerns us along our trip to the main, we get to go ahead and close out this video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear the sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.